Protocol number 6179/23/IM. Your Lordship, His Holiness Pope Leo XIV has appointed Reverend Father Anthony Kattiparambil, present. Please let me complete. Presently, Judicial Vicar of the Diocese of Cochin as the Bishop of the Diocese of Cochin. This appointment of Reverend Kattiparambil will be made public in Rome on Saturday, 25th October 2025 at noon, corresponding to 15:30 hours Indian Standard Time. Until then, this news is to be maintained under the seal of pontifical secret. With my prayerful good wishes, I remain yours fraternal in Christ, Archbishop Paulo Cirelli, Apostolic Ministry. എല്ലാവരെയും കരം വിളിച്ച് നമസ്കാരം.
ചെരുപ്പിട്ടുണ്ടോ നേരം പറ്റിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.